mar jochiw thieth e kaunti no odonje jumbe mar 10 kawuono. Jotijego eko umogi gi piny ni ngang' ok gibidokie tich ka sirikand kaunti ma Nairobi ok owinjo ywakgi kama oting'o meto mar rang'iny mar tich kod osara. Ne gilose kinde ng'anyo mane gibage boma ma Nairobi ka giywak ni tend kaunti no omiyo ne giwang'gi kendo tamore loso kodgi.
Affirming our position that we will continue with these demos, yes, and we are going to up our game.
Yes.
We will do even night vigils,
yes,
outside your office,
yes,
until Nairobians and Kenyans get what they deserve.
Yes.
These are professionals, these are healthcare workers, and they are out here to defend Mwananchi. All that we are asking for is within our rights.
Always demanded are fairness in promotions and doing these promotions on the right way. Officers ranging from all cadres have stagnated for over many years.
Till to date, we have had a series of meetings, some of which have gone until the wee hours of the night. But I can assure you that we've not had any tangible agreement so far. The only thing we have had is grandstandings, empty promises, shifting goalposts,